Hi, hello, I'm Crossio. Welcome to another video. In this video we are going to be unboxing this month's gel box. This is a monthly subscription box available in the UK and abroad. And yeah, this is the box it came in, so I am guessing it is most definitely Halloween themed. Super duper pretty. So let's open it up and see what we get inside. We'll just move all that out of the way. So we have this, and it just says a little bit about what you get in there. Seasonally themed stickers, spider gel, and glow in the dark gel polish. So yeah, so just a little thing there. And okay, so we have this sticker with a design on. We have a Beetlejuice sticker. I'm guessing it's Beetlejuice themed because it's got Beetlejuice written on the box. And then there are these Beetlejuice 5D stickers. Oh, right, okay, so I see this is, oh, it's a bit crumpled, bent out of shape, but it's a headband. Just sort of and bend it a bit where it got a bit squished in the box. So every month you get a nail file, and these are my absolute favourite nail files in the world to use. We have a tiny dotting tool. There we go. And it has a fine liner brush on the end. Then we have a cuticle oil. You get one of these every month too. I'm guessing, yeah, this is the spider gel. I'm guessing it's black, called by Miss Duran. It's sealed. I can never open these things. I have such difficulty. But I will try to open it. So this is white, which I'm surprised about because I was expecting it to be black. And I have used spider gel before, but can you see that? Like, when it's not very full, and it's like, I don't know. So I'm going to leave that flat to see if it settles. And then I will test it out to see if that is actually any good. And then we have our gel polishes. There's nothing else in that box, so we shall move it out of the way. And the 4 gel polishes we've got here, a neon green called Beetlejuice. Please ignore that noise, it is my dog in the background. A very bright lime green. Then we have O'Hara, which is a neon orange. Now, I did have a neon orange the other month from the same company. Oh no, that's called Lava. And it is a tiny bit different, but not by much. Okay. Then this one doesn't have a label on, but it's white, which is good because my white that I use from this brand is actually, I'm running low, so yep, glad to have that. And then this one is a purple called Miss Argentina, and that is a really nice purple. So I'm just off camera now, I am going to swatch these 4 gel polishes and test out this spider gel, and I will be back, guys. Hello, so I'm back from swatching these 4 colours, and I also tested this out, and with me just leaving it flat like that, it did level off in the pot, so that is good. And with this spider gel, just to show you that once I had time to settle the right way up, that it worked perfectly fine, no issues with it, as you can see here, because I tested it. So now onto the nail polishes. These two are glow in the dark, and these 2 are not. These 2 are also UV reactive, just in case you're interested in that or not. So yeah, let's get to the swatching. So first we have the orange, which is called O'Hara, which is really, really nice. Then the next one we have is called Beetlejuice, which is this really nice lime green. My favourite colour by far is this Miss Argentina, because it is a stunning metallic, it has a metallic sheen to it, so a stunning metallic purple, and it in real life it is so nice. And then we have the white. So what I am going to do is charge these under my UV light, turn off the main light, I'll come back and then I'll hopefully show you what they look like with the glow in the dark. So give me just 2 seconds. Okay, so it is still daytime where I am. Well, evening-ish, so it's still light out, but I'm hoping if I turn this light off it will show something. Yeah, so there we go. So even though this one looks like it's glowing in the dark, it's not. Obviously the purple isn't. And then here is the green and orange, which you can definitely see glow in the dark. The green much more brighter than the orange. So yeah, these 2 are definitely glow in the dark. So that is it for this unboxing video. I hope you liked it, and if you would like to see me create a nail design using these colours, because I really love this purple, let me know in the comments section below. Don't forget to check out my Etsy shop, the link will be in the description, where I hand make and hand paint press on nails, and I'll see you all in another video, guys. Bye!